Into the depths of the earth. What lies beneath? Friends, have you ever wondered how deep we could go if we kept digging into the earth without stopping? Far below sea level, even deeper than Mount Everest is tall, what would we find there? Scientists have already reached Mars, nearly 550 million kilometers away, yet we still struggle to dig through Earth's own 12,742 kilometers, or 7,918 miles of depth. So far, the deepest human excavation has reached only 12.26 kilometers, or 7.6 miles, just 2% of the distance from the surface to Earth's center. Why have we been forced to stop again and again? What lies inside this Earth that brings even the most powerful drilling machines to their knees? Today, in this science video, we will descend into those unknown depths where some terrifying and mysterious secrets are hidden.
Layer by layer, descending from the surface. Friends, let us now begin descending step by step from Earth's surface. The layer where we live is the topmost layer of Earth, home to approximately 80% of all living creatures. Just 1 to 2 feet below the surface, you will find burrows made by rats and insects. Go down 6 feet, and you reach the depth where humans are commonly buried. A little deeper, at 13 feet, you step back into ancient history, because this is the depth at which the 3,000-year-old tomb of Egyptian King Tutankhamun and his priceless treasures were discovered. Ancient Egyptians generally buried their kings about 10 feet underground. Up to 20 feet down, metal detectors can still locate buried metallic objects. At 23 feet, you encounter the famous secret tunnels of the Vietnam War, built by Vietnamese soldiers to avoid American troops and carry out communications and attacks, a remarkable wartime strategy.
Going deeper. Descending further to 65 feet, we reach the famous Paris Catacombs, also known as the mass graves in Paris. Each chamber can hold up to 1,500 bodies. Today, the remains of approximately 6 million people rest here. During a terrible epidemic in the 18th and 19th centuries, when Parisian cemeteries became full, the French government decided to bury the dead in these underground vaults. Since then, an estimated 6 million people have been laid to rest here. At 180 feet underground, you will find a remarkable initiative, China's underground urban farm, where crops are grown beneath the earth using artificial lighting. Going deeper still, at around 328 feet, nuclear waste is stored underground to prevent it from harming humanity and nature. Just below that, at 346 feet, lies the world's deepest metro station, located in the city of Kiev, Ukraine. At every layer below, history, mystery, and the remarkable imprint of human intelligence seem to be hiding.
Where few humans have gone. At 400 feet underground, you will find the deepest reaching tree roots on Earth, belonging to an African tree called the ficus, so powerful that its roots can penetrate deep underground layers. At 720 feet lies the world's deepest river, the Congo River, which cuts through the heart of Africa and continues to astonish scientists with its depth. At 950 feet is the world's deepest rail tunnel, the Seikon Tunnel, connecting 2 cities in Japan under the ocean floor, a true marvel of engineering. Beyond 1,000 feet or more, nuclear missile silos are constructed, built so strongly that they remain safe even from surface explosions, though a nuclear blast at this depth would still be devastating. At 1,403 feet below lies the world's lowest land surface, the Dead Sea, so far below sea level that even the world's tallest building would not match this depth. At 2,300 feet lies Chile's San Jose mine, where 33 miners were once trapped under rubble for 69 days. The mine's main operating level was approximately 3,180 feet deep, known as the 20 Grand Copper Mine. The deepest natural and man-made wonders. At 7,215 feet lies Krubera Cave, also known as Veronia Cave, located in Abkhazia, Georgia, the deepest known natural cave on Earth. Next, we reach the Kolar goldfields in Karnataka, India, extending to 10,500 feet. Mining for gold here is an extremely time-consuming and difficult process. At 12,000 feet below, a strange creature has been discovered, a rare insect called the devil worm, a remarkable organism capable of surviving at such extraordinary depths. We then reach the Mponeng gold mine in South Africa at 13,123 feet deep, the world's deepest mine and the source of the most gold on Earth. At such depth, temperatures can reach up to 66 degrees Celsius, making it an immense challenge for workers. Yet some people risk their lives to work here, driven only by the hope of earning money. You will be amazed to know this depth is so terrifying that if someone fell from the top, it would take 30 seconds just to reach the bottom, and the impact would be fatal.
The ocean and the deepest hole ever drilled. At 29,031 feet, exactly the height of Mount Everest, but even deeper than that, at 35,000 feet, lies the deepest point in the ocean, Challenger Deep. In 1951, a British research vessel recorded a depth of 10,863 meters here. Imagine, if Mount Everest were flipped upside down and dropped into this depth, there would still be nearly 2 kilometers of empty space remaining. But human curiosity did not stop there. The deepest drilling ever performed on land is called the Kola Superdeep Borehole, reaching 40,230 feet, more than 12 kilometers deep, though its diameter was only 23 centimeters. This project began in Russia in 1970 with the goal of reaching Earth's center. After 9 years of continuous drilling, they reached a layer where the temperature hit 200 degrees Celsius. The extreme heat forced them to stop, as the drilling machine itself was at risk of melting. This remains humanity's deepest excavation, yet it never came close to Earth's core.
Earth's internal structure. Even though humans have been unable to drill to Earth's center, scientific research allows us to understand what lies beneath. Earth's interior is generally divided into 3 layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. And the core is further divided into the outer core and the inner core. The topmost layer is the crust, with an average thickness of 5 to 70 kilometers. This is where we live, the familiar face of our Earth. 70 kilometers below this crust, we enter the mantle, the gateway to a vast and unknown world. The mantle is approximately 2,900 kilometers thick and is Earth's largest layer. It is divided into the outer mantle and the inner mantle. In the outer mantle, iron and nickel exist in molten and semi-liquid form, with temperatures ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 degrees Celsius. Below that, the inner mantle reaches temperatures of 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius, as terrifyingly hot as the center of the sun. Yet despite these extreme temperatures, this layer remains solid, because the pressure from above is so immense that matter cannot melt. This deepest layer plays a crucial role. It helps generate Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from the sun's harmful radiation and solar storms. In other words, these invisible layers are the shield that keeps us alive.
Earth's hidden gifts. According to scientists, when molten metal flows up from the inner core into the mantle, it creates deposits of iron, copper, nickel, gold, and silver, the very metals we extract through mining. These metals are formed in an environment of extreme heat and crushing pressure, where no solid material can permanently exist. It is truly incredible, because even today we have only managed to drill 12 kilometers into Earth's crust, meaning the core remains entirely beyond our reach. Yet the power of that deep inner layer protects us from the sun's deadly rays and solar storms, and the molten metal flowing from it continues to serve humanity every day. If we were to drill a massive hole straight through from India, it would emerge directly into the Pacific Ocean near Chile, a journey of approximately 12,000 kilometers straight through the Earth. Traveling through that hole would be like passing through the very heart of our planet,
a journey through time and immense power. This vast Earth holds countless mysteries deep within, still hidden from our eyes. But science has not stopped. Inside each invisible layer lies the potential for new discoveries, discoveries that may one day completely redefine how we understand our world. That's all for today, but subscribing alone is not enough. Please make sure to press the bell icon after subscribing so you never miss a video. Without that, our small effort will not be fully successful. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.